For this video, we want to do a walkthrough of the Texas Form 804, which is a periodic report of a limited partnership. Now in Texas, most entities do not have to file annual reports. You might have to file an annual franchise tax return every year, but not annual reports. With limited partnerships and LLPs, the rules are a bit different. So a limited partnership may have to file this periodic report once every 4 years to update information with the state. If you have an LLP or limited liability partnership, you are filing an annual report every year, and that's done on the Form 713. So with an LP, so just a limited partnership, the Form 804, it's filed once every 4 years. There's 2 pages to the form, and they do include some Form 804 instructions above. Now, the commentary section here, helpful to kind of just set the stage here. The Office of the Secretary of State may require domestic LPs or foreign LPs to file this periodic report not more than once every 4 years. Now, what's really important here is failing to file this report when due will result in, after notice, in a termination of the entity. So the entity's certificate of formation is revoked in Texas, and if you're registered to do business there as a foreign LP, that's revoked as well. So really important to get this thing filed on time when requested to do so. Now, the filing fee that goes along with this is $50, so you have to submit a $50 filing fee to Texas, and then there are late fees that apply if you don't get this filed within the required window. Now, as far as what information gets reported, it's all pretty straightforward. There's no financial information that goes with this. They're just asking for the name and address of the entity, the registered agent, and then information on who are the current general partners. So we start with the Texas Secretary of State file number assigned to the entity. That's above there. And then the name of the entity, and then the jurisdiction where the entity was organized. And so in this case, we have a Texas limited partnership. Provide the name and address of the registered agent. And then on line 5, the address of the principal office in the U.S. where the records are kept for that limited partnership. All right, so all pretty straightforward. Now on line 6, we list all of the names and addresses of the GPs. In this example, we have a limited partnership with only one general partner. And the general partner is an LLC, Investment Partnership Manager LLC. So we provide the organization name and the organization address. Now the other 2 entries here we can leave blank because we don't have any other GPs. We just have that one GP. And then in the signature section, because this is an organization that is the general partner, the person signing this has to be an authorized representative at that organization. So if we have John Taxpayer, he's the CEO of Investment Partnership Manager LLC. We can put the name of the company and then John's signature and his title below. All right, then that's pretty straightforward. Just print this off, mail it into the secretary with the appropriate filing fee, and it should be done in response to that notice that you do receive. So hope that was helpful. Again, the takeaway here is remember to get this filed because you don't want to have the entity dissolved for failure to file the report and failure to file the fee.